Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And how are you today, guys? For today's video is, as you can see, I'm preparing a decoration for our New Year's. So I decorated a little bit design to my on our table. So this is our first time to celebrate New Year, guys, in our house. So because this house is bago pa lang, mga wala pang isang taon simula nung nag-stay kami dito, tumira kami, then bagong bago pa to. So this is our first New Year here in our house. So we need to prepare, or we need to celebrate a new year with with my family. So nag-design lang ako ng konti, guys, kasi para so beautiful for taking a picture later. So let's go, guys, samahan niyo ako sa aming kaganapan ngayong New Year. Happy New Year, everyone! 2025, Happy New Year. Then right now is I'm going to arrange the fruits because this is our silent. This is our koan. Tawag ana. Ano ito, nasanayan ba pag New Year? Pampalihit ang prutas. So, I already buy a fruits kanina. Then later I arrange for the New Year. Then kanina is I came from the Naval Town to buy some needs for the New Year. Then what happened? So guys, I come back later because my children is very disturbing. What happened? So guys, let's wrap Christmas gift. Pero actually, this New Year is we're going to exchange gift to my family side. So I pick one name on my relative, then I'll buy a gift for the exchange gift this coming New Year. So let's go to wrap uh our exchange gift. Actually, guys, the exchange gift is dapat for the Christmas. Then sa New Year mi nag-exchange gift, guys, because the Christmas is Christmas is we're not completed yet, because the other is for to the work or did not come. So the New Year is finally we completed. So I decide I decided to we decided to exchange gift a little bit amount. done. Merry Merry Christmas everyone and Happy New Year guys.
Luyog sa among mga pagbakit, ang mga hitaraga, magmalipayo, kasagsasak na, lapit sa kasimayan, mauray among nakita, ang palagay na masalad.
So this time guys is I'm start preparing for food for our New Year Eve. So let's start cooking and preparing our foods for later. First is I cook spaghetti, then I'm done for cooking pasta, then the second one is the sauce for our spaghetti, then mix lang, halo-haloin lang guys, then this is the final result of our spaghetti guys, so creamy and delicious. My son guys is want to eat a watermelon but hindi pa nag-alas 12, yan kasi ang mga tinuuhan sa mga matatanda, kailangan mag-alas 12 daw bago kainin yung prutas, but my son is want to eat a watermelon, then I cut a little bit of watermelon because I give my son, so because this is my son's favorite, kaya bumili talaga ako ng watermelon, so I'll give him a little bit, then the second I make a fire guys because I grilled a milk fish, so we need to binalot lang natin ng banana leaves para hindi maburn, hindi masunog, kasi we have not a foil, so only the banana leaf. Then this time is I'm preparing for our prosperity design or prosperity design, so I put at 10 eggs in the top of the rice, then sa top of the rice is merong mga fruits, so this is the way of preparing here in the Philippines. So we are, hindi naman tayo pare-pareho ng idea, so this is my own version of preparing a prosperity. Then the second is I'll put gold coin chocolate, then kay balay-balay siya gi butangan tanan gi around the coin slab prosperity. It's not called a ball because this is a fruit stand, then I'll make because para hindi siya magkalat sa akong table, so the ikot ba yung ubos sa aking fruit stand is yun na lang yung nilagyan ko ng prosperity bowl. So my husband is putting a money on the top of the rice guys because he said this is lucky. So and this time is preparing a fruit salad guys, so hapon na kami nakapag-decide na mag-fruit salad because my husband is bring their ingredients for fruit salad, so when I need to faster to make a fruit salad because it's already a night na in the New Year Eve, so nagmamadali na ako nito guys kasi para magawa na yung fruit salad namin, but thankfully I'm successful making a fruit salad because it's easy. Madali lang naman to gawin. Then ibubo lang yung sabaw ng fruit cocktail para hindi masama yung sabaw. I separate the yung sabaw, then we need to salain, separate the fruits, then put in the Tupperware to mix carefully. Then nag-ready lang ako ng 2 Nestle cream. Then I put it in the fruit cocktail, the fruits. Then the 1 condensed milk. This is the perfect combination. 2 Nestle cream and 1 condensed. Depende lang yung guys kung madami yung fruit cocktail. The more fruit cocktail, the more Nestle cream or condensed milk, or the more delicious and creamy. Dire pe, alik pe.
Lupa na.
Wag ito fireworks? Turutot mo rin. Turutot!
Puro na kumpa. Inyo kigupa.
Happy New Year! Suko! Pagbago na ka, hindi na ka masapat-sapat! Ay! New Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Wow! Watermelon! You like it? You like it? Wow! Yan ang buwan. Beer! Lablab po yan, lablab po yan, lablab. Lablab. Lablab papa. Lablab papa. Lablab yun. Guys, lablab dyan.
Ay, pagsama ko na ito. Parang ito. Parang ito. Pagsama ko na ito. New Year, bawin. Nagkilingon dito. Ayaw ha. Nagong sa phone. Ah, matagal recording now. Awa, kamusta mo? Sige ko.
Ito lang, sige lang.
Sitaw ganit.
Bilat.
Ha?
Bilat.
Magkuha na.
Isang giso ha.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Ayoko pagkat nagiging tayo.
Happy New Year!
Ako lang ganit.
Happy New Year! Tama, tututin. Tututin. Ay, nakakapal. Ay, muna ka na pag-iran. Sabi mo na, dito sa kanila. Ano